Actually, we are dealing with the second part of the video. What is the meaning of the management consultancy services? Management consultancy services is nothing but it's related to services, but not include the following. Example: management consultancy services generally exclude the statutory audit and periodic audit and tax audit. Both the direct taxes and indirect taxes audits are excluded from the management consultancy services. Okay, first point. These are excluded. First point is nothing but statutory audit and periodical audit are both under direct taxes, and indirect taxes are excluded from management consulting services. And next, representation before the direct tax and indirect taxes are also excluded from management consulting services. And advice consulting related to advice concerning the tax matters before the tribunal is also excluded from the management consulting services. And acting as a liquidator and trustee and executor and administrator and arbitrator and receiver is also excluded from the management consulting services. Okay, and generally these are the services which are included, which is permitted, and chartered accountants are allowed to do. Example, financial management planning and financial policy and determination. These are the chapters of the FM in CA Enter. Right from the capital structure planning and raising of the finance and working capital management and preparing the projects reports, feasibility studies, and preparing the cash budgets, cash flow statements, and profitability statements, and budgeting includes the capital budgeting and revenue budgeting and inventory management and material handling, storage and market research and demand studies and price fixation, other management and decision making, and management accounting systems and cost control and value analysis. These are chapters of the costings and cost controls and management information and reporting, and personal recruitment and selection. This is also covered under and setting up the incentive plans, wage incentive plans, management and operational audits, and valuation of the shares and valuation of business regarding the amalgamation mergers. It's come under section 230 under Companies Act 2013, and acting as a register valuer on Companies Act and register valuer. Okay, and next, business policy, corporate planning and organization development and growth and diversification, and organization behavior, organization structure, development of the human resources, including the recruitment programs, work study, job description, job evaluation. These are the come under MCS and MCA. And next, system analysis, design, computer related services include the selection of the hardware, software in all areas. Okay, and next, acting as advisor. This is also covered. Acting as a consultant to issue or matter, and drafting of the is next we cover in another video. Okay.